So now I'll show you how to secure the thread for fixing a split seam like we have here. Because I'm left-handed, I'll start on the left side because I'll be sewing from left to right and not from right to left. I have the thread and the needle as I prepared before. And to secure it, we just make a couple of stitches above where the split seam starts, but a bit before the point where the seam is actually split, because we can see the ends are already fraying. So we just make a couple of stitches. And to secure it, we just do this again. And then, oh, this got stuck. And then one more time. And that's it. Now we've secured our thread. Mending a split seam. So we will first trim off this bit of thread where the seam is split, so that won't be in the way. And now we can just start stitching with start sewing our back stitch. So